really cool things about being in Fairfax County is we're one of the only districts that has theater in middle schools. And we have one of the largest theater programs in the whole nation. But the coolest thing about that, and why I think that is because there's a greater community of theater kids coming together from across schools to learn and share about theater, and that's what you're doing today.
We are so excited to be here at Key Middle School today. This is TheatreMania. This is a day full of theater workshops where middle school students from all over the district come. They learn different topics of theater. They meet theater kids from across the district. They have a shared theater sports and theater games, and they learn more about future pathways in theater and hopefully cultivate their love for theater into high school and beyond.
Just open up your chest. Just like you're a person in everyday life, you're a confident person.
Along with these specialty offerings, we also invite teaching artists and industry professionals in from the community to share their knowledge with our students.
Awesome. Now a fourth person comes in and begins a totally new, unrelated four-person scene.
I do know a good amount about theater, but coming here today, I learned a lot, especially in makeup, learning about how stage lights affect how your makeup looks on stage.
You get to meet really cool people that are interested in the same things as you. It's just a really nice community.
Yeah, it's a really good way for middle schoolers to express their creativity. They get to kind of be in a safe space where they're allowed to share their emotions in different ways.
I think that this was my favorite theater experience. There's just a stronger sense of community, and everyone's so passionate about theater, and I really like that.
Theater is really important for middle school because it kind of helped me get over my stage fright. It helped me branch out and become a little bit more extroverted and more comfortable in front of people.
8, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go!
One of the really special things about theater is that it represents all people, all stories, all walks of life. That's what's so beautiful about watching our students at events like this or in our theater classrooms, is we have all different types of students. They're making stories, telling stories, and then writing stories that hopefully impact other students and other audiences.